Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, continuing my experiments with DC with that full wave bridge rectifier. This is that Lionel 229 that arrived last week. Picked this thing up with a tender for 15 bucks. Anyway, running on DC using the magnetic lock-on, as you see. And running on DC, this runs really, really well. It's smooth, good constant speed all the way around the rail. You can run these things at scale speeds, that's for sure. Anyway, as you see, this is running extremely well. Anyway, it's always interesting to see these electric locomotives running at good, constant, slow speeds. You simply cannot do this with AC. Let's slow this down a bit more. As you see, that's actually running really, really well. If it was running on AC at this speed, it would stop when it gets to the corners and sit there and buzz. On DC, it just seems to power through the corners or the curves, as you see. Because you can get this thing to absolutely crawl around this rail. If you have good, clean track, you can get this thing to literally run at scale speeds all the way around. As you see, it runs quite well. Let's take it a bit faster. But we have plenty of power available. So every single locomotive that I have ever tested on DC runs better on DC than it does on AC. There's absolutely no doubt about that. It has been consistently the case with every locomotive I've run. Simply because they run smoother, quieter, slower. As far as smoothness, you simply can't beat that. From a dead stop, as you see, power is off. So you bring the power up and it just begins to slowly turn, as you see. And you can get this thing to literally crawl. Because you got to get it fast enough so it'll go around the curves. And other than that, just let it run. As you see. So, you simply cannot beat the performance of these locomotives running on DC, period. They run exponentially better on DC than they will ever run on AC. Smoother, quieter, better speed control. Just all around superior way to power these things. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video just playing with the lock-on, of course. Putting it through its paces and see what it'll do. In any case, I'm going to be ordering some new full-wave bridge rectifiers and actually add them to the lock-on. Instant DC voltage. Just attach it to the track, attach it to the transformer, and you have DC. In any case, just wanted to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.